Musta uli mga ka-rhythm dyan. At ito may gagawin akong reaction video uli sa ating paboritong banda ng bayan, ang France Rhythm. At ang kakantahin nila ay Manic Monday by The Bangles. Ang kantang to ay sinulat ni Prince. Tapos para sa bandang Apollonia 6. Pero binawi din niya, pinull out din niya. After 2 years, binigay niya or inoffer niya sa The Bangles. Yun, kaya The Bangles ang unang nag-record. Okay po, umpisa na natin.
Only here in France, Rhythm Channel. Mr. Prince Rock.
6 o'clock already, I was just in the middle of a dream. I was kissing Valentina by a crystal blue Italian stream. But I can't be late, 'cause then I guess I just won't get paid. These are the days when you wish your bed was already made. It's just another manic Monday. I wish you were Sunday, 'cause that's my fun day. I don't have to run day. It's just another manic Monday. Had to catch an early train to be to work by 9. And if I had an aeroplane, I still couldn't make it on time. 'Cause it takes me so long just to figure out what I'm gonna wear. Blame it on the train, but the bus is already there. It's just another manic Monday. I wish it were Sunday.
Tika sandali lang po. Nagagalingan lang ako kay Char sa keyboard. Talagang magaling na si Char sa keyboard eh. Ang galing. Kuha niya yung ano ng The Bangles. Yung keyboard din doon. Okay po.
That's my fun day. I don't have to run day. It's just another manic Monday. All of my nights, what if I never had to meet last night to get down? Does it matter that I had to pick the photo bus in Florence down? He tells me in his bedroom voice, come on honey, let's go make some noise. Time it goes so fast. It's just another manic Monday. I wish it was Sunday, 'cause that's my fun day. I don't have to run day. It's just another manic Monday. I wish it was Sunday, 'cause that's my fun day. It's just another manic Monday.
Galing!
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, Friends Rhythm Channel. Love, love, love.
Boom!
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
Ang galing tumawa ni Char. Si Chen din tuwang-tawa din, oh. Pero mas magaling tumawa si Char. Guitar, vocal, Chen. Keyboard, drums. Si Char. Guitar, keyboard.
Tag-ulan. Walang araw ang
Okay po, maraming salamat po sa panonood nyo sa video ko. Yung mga hindi pa nag-subscribe dyan, pakisubscribe naman sa channel ko. At pakishare na rin kung gusto nyo i-share. Maraming salamat sa panonood. At saka hanggang dito na lang muna at sa susunod muli. Pagka may reaction ako, kita-kits tayo. Bye-bye muna. Bye muna ngayon.